Hello, today I'm going to share my data analytics project using SQL on Amazon sales data. So let's see the whole table. For that, I'm going to write a query to see the whole data. So this is the whole query. Let's load the column names. These are the column names. So I added 3 columns here. First one is time of day. So as you know, most of the people don't want to take the time to understand, yeah, this is the evening, this is the afternoon, and this is the morning. So they want a simplified data, just see afternoon, morning, and evening like this. So I added this column for this reason. And secondly, customers always buy in some specific time more, like in afternoon, because it was a good time to for an evening walk or something, for relaxed time. That's why. Then there is our day name. So no one going to see 30 different numbers of day and calculate, yeah, this is Monday, this is Tuesday. So what I did, I just alter the table and add day name, and I update day name using date. Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday I updated the day names. And third, I added month name, because for example, India, we customers are buying more in months like which is around festival, like October and November is around Diwali, and New Year, December, March, Holi, like this. So I updated the month name directly. So let's start with the business analysis and business questions. So here we have a query which is showing how much cities, distinct cities we have. So we have 3 distinct cities around. We are going to do our analysis. Then the distinct branches and the cities and the branches with them, correlated with them. And then this shows how much distinct product line we have. And these are the name of these product line: health and beauty, electronics, and so on. So let's do a payment analysis. So which one is highest? So e-wallet is the highest. Let's see the other. So this is in decreasing order. So e-wallet is highest, and second number is cash, and then the third number is credit card. So here what we can do, we can give some offers in e-wallets and credit cards, so we can improve credit card as well. Let's see which product line has highest sales. So as you can see, fashion having highest sale, and then food and beverages, electronics, accessories. Then how much revenue generated each month? So January having, this is also in decreasing order, so we have highest revenue in January. Then let's see in which month did the cost of goods, like COGS in the short form, COGS is in the peak. So January is the month. So last time what we see, revenue is also is highest in the month of January. COGS is also highest in the month of January. So this is correlated. So the highest revenue created by food and beverages product line. In which city the highest revenue recorded? So Neptitao having highest, but let's check the other service. I'm removing the limit one so that we can check other service. So there is very few margin between last two cities. Which product line got highest value added tax? So food and beverages highest in revenue and highest in VAT. So this is good. Food and beverages. Here what I did, whatever the product lines are above average in revenue, so I give them a status code, and who are lower than the average, then I give them bad. So all are good, only health and beauty are in bad position, so we can improve them using some more analysis. Let's go ahead. So identify the branch that exceeded average number of product sold. So these are the branches who exceeded average number of. So all three exceeded. Which product line is most frequently associated with each gender? So we can see females are buying more fashion and accessories. So this is quite normal. This trend is regular. Then what we can see, the average rating, we have highest average rating in food and beverages. So food and beverages, we collected highest revenue in food and beverages. That means it's obvious in the rating. What we can do here to get more and more rating, like we can only encourage our employees so they can insist our customers to give more and more rating. Whatever rating they are giving, that doesn't matter because Amazon is a platform and businesses are listing their products as Amazon e-commerce platform. So we can notify our vendors and businesses who are listing their products in Amazon platform so that they can take a step accordingly to improve their services. Now, sales occurrence is highest in afternoon at Wednesday, then afternoon Thursday, afternoon Monday. So this is the weekdays. I haven't include Saturday and Sunday because that is weekend. So obviously, if I include weekend days, let me create the query for it. This. So Saturday is the weekend, and we have highest in Saturday, but Wednesday afternoon is not. We have it is tie, and afternoon is in the top in the list, no matter what day it is. But afternoon is there every day. Then evening because they are started. I think they are started shopping at afternoon, and they are doing a lot of shopping. That's why afternoon becomes evening. Then morning. Wow, people are shopping at morning. That's very good. Let's go out. So this is the city with highest rate. Let's check others. This is the city in the decreasing order in terms of highest VAT. So we can see sales as well. So total sales is high VAT percentage according to it. And the VAT percentage for our two cities are same. Only a very minor differences there. So it is not going to be any concern. It is not going to a concern. Identify the customer type with highest VAT payment. So let's the members. Members are giving the highest VAT. We have only two type of members, normal and members. So it's here. Obviously, normal is last and member is first. Then what is the count of district payment method? So it is three. And let's see the three distinct count payment method name as well. So I'm just making a query. Give me a second. So queries this. So e-wallet, cash, and credit card. This is the three distinct payment method which we have seen earlier as well. So which customer type occurred most frequently? So member occurred most frequently. So we have only two type of customers. First is member, second is normal. Identify customer type with highest purchase frequency. It is also going to be member. Determine the predominant gender. So this is going to be female because female are purchasing more fashion and accessories like this. And ratio quite equal. Examine the distribution of gender within each branch. So in the A branch, male is scoring high, then the C female, male, female, male, female. So ratio is quite equal, which we seen earlier. That's why it is approximately, this is approximate data around each other. So let's go with our second next question. Identify time of day when customer provide the most rating. So obviously if customer is visiting our store or our website in the afternoon, so afternoon is high, even double than evening. Let's go to our next question. Determine the time of day with highest customer rating. So obviously in the C branch, we already seen the in the afternoon customer giving rating more and more, and in the C branch we are getting highest rating. It means our C branches are hero. Then determine the day of the week with the highest average rating. So this is the highest average rating in Monday in B branch. Maybe it is nearby corporate offices like that. So this is the analysis in the SQL of Amazon data. So we have 1000 rows and 20 columns. So after this analysis, what we analyzed is according to our customer, women's or females percentage are high. So we can give some more and more offers to attract females so that our sale can boost, and we can boost our other product lines as well. Second thing is product analysis. Food and beverages is our hero. So we can promote food and beverages more and more, and we can strategize how we can promote our other product lines. Then sales analysis. We already seen some cities with highest VAT percentage, highest revenue cities, the product line which is giving highest revenue, highest sale, which is food and fashion in product line. So we can promote them, and we can strategize the product line which is not performing. So this is my analysis. I hope you like it. If you have any suggestions so that I can improve this presentation more and more, please give your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. Thank you.